We are here at Kraftwerk in Zurich for our InnoAI 24 conference. There is one thing that brings us all together here today, and that is our genuine interest, curiosity, and passion for innovation with generative AI.
Partnership in this space is critical. The reason for that is technology is evolving rapidly and is spinning off multiple startups and multiple amazing ideas. You cannot do this without a healthy ecosystem of partners.
And that's kind of the point of the event today, right? Is bringing everybody from experts to researchers to people like us in the digital space, but also partners like Microsoft. I think we really showcase the power of collaboration in this area.
I love the way the keynotes were conducted. The one from a customer point of view, showing the use cases, showing their challenges in a very transparent way. What is the art of the possible? What we can do together, right? How the ecosystem needs to work together.
Talking about customer services, for us, it's really important to create added value with GenAI in terms of our service processes and really to find ways to interact in a better way with the customer.
It was really open the mind and make us dream about the future and what is possible, but also very practical.
We saw, I think, a couple of very interesting speeches and contributions. One from our AI CTO, who explained the art of the possible today. What as well was quite impressive was to see how small and medium companies are investing in the area. And
it's really amazing to see how the future could look like, and it already gives us ideas on what kind of new supports, new developments we can make for our customer.
And overall, the super cool vibe we had during the day and the engaging discussion, and also now in the networking. So cool questions, so inspiring talks. I loved it.
I'm proud we've had such an event together. I hope we continue this as a practice in the years to follow, and hope to see everybody at InnoAI 25 next year.